Life is beautiful if you are on this route to
So,
somewhere.
hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Akansha and I am here with a new story.
After completing all the paperworks like registration, certificate of pollution, services breakdown, etc., I received my key. After collecting our new car from the showroom, we moved to Devri Mandir for Vahan Puja to bless our new car and to ask for protection from accident and disaster in the future. So for Vahan Puja, we moved to Devri Mandir, which is situated in Devri village. It is located near the Tata Ranchi highway. The main attraction of this ancient mandir is 700 years ago old murti of the goddess Durga and Kali. It is an ancient mandir and it was renovated few years back. The ancient mandir was constructed by the interlocking stones without using chalk or binding material. Panditji started his puja with Om Gan Ganpate Nama. After that, he placed 5 dots on the car's bonnets. While saying the mantra, he cracked the coconut next to the car and poured the coconut water across all the 4 tires. He also lit a diya and moved them in a circle inside the car. The Panditji creates swastik on the car hood using water, turmeric powder and sandalwood paste. Panditji gives us some rice to spread on it after finishing the swastik drawing. Raksha Sutra is a Hindu thread also known as Moli or Kalava. By tying Kalava, one gets the blessing of Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh along with the special grace of Goddess Saraswati and Lakshmi. After doing all the rituals, we went back to our home. Thanks for watching. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel.